Music. Welcome to my Dave Express loan review. Need quick cash? Links are below. Let's see how Dave works, what it offers, and if it's right for your short-term needs. Dave's a mobile app for fast, no-interest cash advances. It's perfect if you have less than perfect credit or need cash between paychecks. Get up to $200, ideal for unexpected expenses or avoiding overdrafts. Funds usually hit your bank account within one business day. Dave shines with its overdraft protection. No high interest rates or hefty fees like payday loans. Repay on time, it's interest-free. This can save you from expensive bank penalties. Dave's simple. It syncs with your bank account, analyzes spending, and predicts when you might need extra cash. This helps with budgeting and managing cash flow, especially if you face financial gaps before payday. Dave's tip-based. Pay what you want instead of a fixed fee. This app is great for low or fluctuating incomes, offering fast, easy access to funds without added debt. There is a membership fee, so consider how often you'll use it. Overall, Dave Express loans are a solid choice for quick, interest-free advances, avoiding payday loan traps. Need reliable, user-friendly short-term financial help? Dave might be your app. Get started, links are in the description.